Welcome to Stamps Designer, the easiest way to create custom stamps online. In this video, we'll show you how to design a beautiful wedding stamp in just a few seconds to demonstrate how practical and efficient our tool is. Here's a quick look at our user-friendly interface. On the left, you have the Design Elements panel for managing your stamp components. The center is your design canvas, and on the right, the Options panel for customizing your design. First, click on the Templates button at the top right of the screen. This opens a pop-up where you can browse through a variety of templates to get started. From the categories, select Wedding Templates. Browse through the available designs and choose the one that fits your style best. Click on the template to load it onto the canvas. Now let's personalize your wedding stamp. Click on any design element, such as the text, to start editing. In the Options panel on the right, you can change the text, adjust the font size, or modify other properties like color and alignment. You can also customize other elements like rings or shapes. Select them and use the sliders in the Options panel to adjust their size or position to your liking. Watch as I edit the text and make adjustments to ensure my design looks flawless. Watch as I edit the text here and adjust it to make my design look perfect. Take a moment to review your design. Make any final tweaks to ensure everything looks perfect. Once you're satisfied with your design, click the Download button at the top right. You'll see two options, PNG and SVG. Choose the format that suits your needs. PNG is great for digital use, while SVG is perfect if you want to make a rubber stamp. Now that we've created our first wedding stamp, let's go through the process again with another design. Repeating these steps will help you get more familiar with the tool and show how easy it is to create different stamps. We'll start by clicking the Templates button once more and selecting a different template. This time, let's try something with a different style or theme. Just like before, we'll customize the text, adjust the size, and modify the elements to create a unique stamp. You'll see how quick and seamless it is to go from one design to another. Watch as I edit the text and make adjustments to ensure my design looks flawless. Once we're happy with the new design, we'll download it in the desired format. Whether you need a digital stamp or a rubber stamp, the process is exactly the same. With just a few clicks, we've created two unique stamps. Repeating this process will help you master the tool and unleash your creativity for any occasion. With your stamp downloaded, you can use it digitally or print it for creating a rubber stamp. It's that simple and fast. Thank you for using Stamps Designer. We hope you enjoy creating your custom stamps with ease. For more tips and tutorials, visit our website.